As the harvest season winds down and cooler temperatures set in, it's time to start thinking about post-harvest plans. For many farmers, this means planning manure application. Manure is a valuable fertilizer and soil amendment, but to maximize its benefits, it should be treated with the same attention as commercial fertilizers. Some farmers overlook manure in their fertility programs, missing out on its potential. Precision farming, particularly through grid soil sampling, has become a widely adopted practice in recent years, especially in the fall. This method helps farmers make more informed decisions on where to apply commercial fertilizers, reducing costs and preventing nutrient overapplication. But grid sampling can also be applied to manure, ensuring that this organic fertilizer is used where it's needed most. Many commercial manure applicators now offer variable rate manure application, meaning they can adjust the amount of manure applied based on soil nutrient needs. If you're hiring an applicator, don't hesitate to ask if they provide this service. While some may charge extra, the reduced amount of manure used may balance the cost. Additionally, the savings on commercial fertilizers can make it a smart investment in the long run. Even without access to high-tech equipment, there are still ways to utilize manure efficiently. Take a look at your fields and maps. You likely know where the lower yielding areas are. Often, these areas also have lower nutrient levels or organic matter. If soil maps confirm this, focus your manure application in these areas to improve soil health and boost future yields. By addressing nutrient deficiencies or rebuilding soil in eroded areas, we improve overall soil health and, hopefully, achieve more consistent yields over time. Whether you're using high-tech precision equipment or adopting a DIY approach, incorporating manure into your precision fertility plan can lead to healthier soils and more balanced yields. The key is to be strategic about where and how you apply it. Happy fall, y'all!